Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. We are from group 3 and we will introduce our main mapping and text. First, let me introduce our member group. The first one is Abdul Jabbar Hassan Adam. The second one is Gita Nabila Putri. And number 3 is Diaz Asbahna. And number 4 is Ammar Al Arifin. And we're going to start about we're going to explain about the table number one, the main mapping number one, and we start from mafhum. Mafhum in logistics term meaning something that can be understood from text terminological. It refers to the plain meaning of a word, with, whether an argument, mafhum or mawfuq, or in condition. It's depend on condition. And mantuq, it's mean like something that it's spoken. Diminutely, the meaning conferred through the production of specific word. Example are taken from verses in Surah Al-Baqarah, which is how prohibition can cover different meanings. Matlub, it's mean logistics that reaction word in this category covered understood meaning and can give you example founded as Surah Al-Mujadala, where the use of this term emphasizes the openness of the meaning. And last one is this word that incorporates everything. This fits without specifics limitation. Example from Surah Hud and Surah Al-An'am show how this term is used in proper context. And we're going to explain about something called categorization of literal in the Quran. According to the professor Dr. Abdul Jalal, the literal in the Quran can be categorized based on the number versus action with them. This is important for understanding the context and applications of this literal in the scared text. And we're gonna explain about something called determining the basis. The process of categorizing the letters involves two meanings operation. Number one called Sami. The operation is based on historical events and context. Number two is Qaisisi, Qwaisis. The operation is based on the majority of literals. If the majority of literals organized from Mecca, then those literals considering Makkiya. There is are two essential based on consider. Based on Al-Qafiliya, reference to the majority of verses that were relevant in Mecca. Based on Tabri'iyya, included the content of the verses revealed in Mecca before the Hijrah.
Okay, the next one is content of the Quran. The Quran contains many significant aspects, including social and state laws. It includes calls to non-Muslim communities, such as Jews and Christians, and future long verses and chapter. Additionally, the Quran covers criminal laws, hudud, secondary laws, far'i, and information about the characteristic of hypocrites, offering insight into the social and moral norms of society. And the fourth is characteristic Madaniyah. And characteristic Makkiyah. Makkiyah characteristic verses revealed in Makkah often begin with a call nida and include stories about the Prophet and previous people. This provide an important context for the spiritual journey and historical narrative of the Muslim community. Limited. Only some verses in the Quran begin with nida, indication that not all verses can be included in this classification, thus presenting limitation in analysis. Historical aspect. Makkiyah refers to verses revealed before the Prophet migration or hijrah, while Madaniyah refers to those revealed after the hijrah. This understanding is crucial for contextualizing the historical background of the revelation. Geographical aspect. Makkiyah is associated with Makkah, while Madaniyah is associated with Madinah. This provides clearer understanding of the social and political context in which the verses were revealed. And the next one is Makkiyah variable and civilization. The variable to consider in the study of Makkiyah and Madaniyah include geographical. The location where the first of or letter was revealed gives important context for understanding the next. The historical period during which the verses were revealed provides insight into the social and cultural condition of the time. Subjective refers to the subject being addressed in the verses, offering a deeper understanding of the context of the reading. Content analysis focus on the content of the Quranic verses, essential for understanding the meaning and application of the laws contained within. General overview. The knowledge of Makkah and Madaniyah plays a crucial role in understanding the structure and content of the Quran. The study is closely related to the formulation of Islamic law and its application in society, and also assists in understanding the concept of nas, abrogation, and mansuh, abrogated, as well as the semantics within the sacred text. Okay, next.
Okay, we move to the table identification letters of the Quran based on category. The first category is entirely Makkiyah or Makkiyah kulluha. Surah and verses example is Al-Furqan, Al-Qiyamah, An-Naba, and At-Takwir. Main characteristic is short verses, strong language, frequent odds, rhetorical style. Purpose or context of revelation is to call to faith and warn the polytheists of Quraysh. The general themes is faith or akidah, resurrection, and stories of the prophets. The usefulness in study, understanding early Islamic preaching and Quranic rhetoric. And the reason for classification is entire surah revealed in Mecca focuses on foundational beliefs. The second category is entirely Madaniyah or Madaniyah kulluha. Surah and verses example, first Al-Baqarah, Al-Maidah, At-Tahrim, Al-Hujurat. Main characteristic, long verses, detailed legal and social rulings. The purpose or context of revelation is to regulate Muslim society, social interaction, and the Islamic legal system. General themes, law, social order, inter-Muslim relation, and usefulness in studying Islamic law and community development. And the reason for classification is entire surah revealed in Madinah focuses on laws and society. Okay, next.
Okay, the third one, Makkiyah with some Madaniyah verse. Makkiyah with Madaniyah parts. The example is Al-Hajj, verse 11, 19 until 24, 26 until 30, 39 until 41. The main characteristics is mostly Makkiyah style. Some legal or jihad content appears. The purpose of the revelation is to affirm Tauhid and comment jihad. The general themes is faith with some legal and community rules. Usefulness in study, understanding transitional content in revelation. And the reason for classification is revealed mainly in Mecca with a few verses revealed in Madinah. And the fourth one, Madaniyah with some Makkiyah verse or Madaniyah with Makkiyah parts. The example is At-Taubah verse 128 until 129, and Al-Insan, verse 1 until 2. The main characteristic is mostly legal or social with occasional Makkiyah style verse. The purpose of revelation is to build the order of Ummah and to warn and educate Muslims. The general themes is legal rulings, jihad, and social ethics. Usefulness in study, tracing continuity of themes and mixed styles. And the reason for classification is mostly revealed in Madinah, but contain early Meccan verse. That's all for our presentation from Group 3. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.